Enable the option to display the data, PLC data, the ladder diagram and the trace. If you go to the PLC data, which is the option 11, what you are going to see first is the identifier I, which means these are inputs, all of this. And you might have or found this label on the PLC, the electrical diagram as well. So if we want to change the identifier, we have to select F6 ID change, and let's say we want to see the outputs, the option number 4, and hit OK. And here you have all the outputs. We have 48 pages, and you can check the status. This means the green one means that the output is in on, and this condition means that it's off. So this output is this condition, has this condition, and this output has this one. And let's check the alarms. Oh, sorry. Let's change the identifier. And to check the alarm, we have to look for the ID M, which is the number 16, or the option 16. And here you have all the signals that has the identifier M, and let's look for the alarm 1770 code 676. That's the code. The last part is the code, the alarm code that you are going to see on the message that you have here. So let's look for that. So we have this alarm. All these alarms are related to the door, because as you can see here, we have door interlock code 76. You have to refer to the manual, or you can also go to the Macman or the help right here and see what that means. So let's say we have this alarm, but the code is 42 instead of 76. So let's hit input, and here you have the alarm help, and let's check the code 42. It says in this state of code 41, this one, the axis was made and transferred in excess. And let's check the 76, that the one we were looking at. A spindle rotation command with a spindle speed exceeding the limit specified by MC system parameter. Number 4, door interlock, bit 1 maximum spindle speed with first door open. Was issued with the ceiling door open. Okay? So let's check the logic for this alarm, the code 76. So you have to exit from the Magma and go through the monitor again. So let's change to display number 12, and this is the logic that you need to trace. So this is a normal condition, and if we get these two signals in on plus this one or this branch, the branch that we have in one is the rotation, so this one connects to this one, and the conditions that are required to trigger the alarm are all these conditions. We need this one, this alarm, or this signal, sorry, in on, plus this is gonna connect here, plus this condition and this other two as well to trigger the alarm. So to me, what is gonna create effectively the alarm is this one, plus these are the conditions that are looking for. But if we have this condition and also this one, it's gonna trigger the alarm. But if we have this condition but not this one, it's not gonna trigger the alarm. I hope this helps you to understand a little bit better how to look for the conditions or the troubleshooting any alarm on this CNC. Thank you.